What is a secured credit card? A secured credit card is one of the most powerful tools for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit. Unlike traditional credit cards, secured credit cards require a refundable security deposit, which acts as collateral and determines your credit limit. This makes them accessible to individuals with bad credit, no credit history, or those who have recently gone through bankruptcy. The core function of a secured credit card is to help establish a positive payment history, which is the most influential factor in your credit score. Every on-time payment made on a secured card is reported to the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These monthly updates contribute to your overall creditworthiness and can lead to credit score improvement within months of responsible use. Let's dive into how a secured credit card works. Suppose you deposit $300 as collateral. Your card issuer will set your credit limit at $300. You can then use the card just like a regular credit card, make purchases, pay bills, and build credit, while the deposit remains untouched unless you default. This upfront deposit is not a fee. It's fully refundable when you upgrade or close the account in good standing. Secured credit cards are ideal for credit-building strategies. For example, many people use them alongside credit builder loans or authorized user accounts to accelerate their progress. When used responsibly, keeping credit utilization below 30%, paying off the full balance each month, and avoiding late payments, you demonstrate financial discipline to future lenders. Many issuers allow you to graduate to an unsecured credit card after 6 to 12 months of responsible use. This transition often comes with a credit limit increase, better rewards programs, and access to lower interest rates. The secured credit card essentially acts as your gateway to traditional credit. Now let's talk about high APRs. Many secured cards come with higher interest rates because they're aimed at higher risk individuals. This makes it even more important to pay off your balance in full each month. Avoid carrying a balance, as the interest charges can quickly add up and defeat the purpose of using the card to rebuild credit. Some secured credit cards come with annual fees, but there are several no annual fee options available. Always compare card features carefully. Look for cards that offer free credit score access, mobile banking apps, and automatic reporting to all three bureaus. These features can make a big difference in your credit journey. Secured credit cards are often mistaken for prepaid cards, but they are very different. Prepaid cards don't help you build credit because they are not credit products. Secured credit cards, on the other hand, are real credit accounts that report your activity to the credit bureaus. If you're an international student, a recent graduate, or someone recovering from financial setbacks, a secured credit card can help you gain a foothold in the US credit system. Many lenders don't require a social security number for secured card applications, making them a viable solution for immigrants and expats trying to establish credit. Let's look at a real-world scenario. John has a credit score of 550 after defaulting on a personal loan. He applies for a secured credit card with a $500 deposit. Over 6 months, he uses the card for small purchases, pays the full balance before the statement due date, and monitors his credit report regularly. By month 7, his score improves to 630, and he's offered an upgrade to an unsecured card with a higher limit and lower APR. That's the real power of secured credit cards. If you're worried about credit card fraud, most secured cards offer the same protections as unsecured ones, including zero liability policies, fraud alerts, and chip technology for added security. These features ensure peace of mind, even as you work to rebuild your financial future. Some of the top secured credit cards also offer cashback rewards, though these are typically modest compared to premium cards. Still, they provide an incentive to use your card responsibly. Look for cards that offer 1% back on eligible purchases, especially in everyday categories like gas, groceries, and streaming services. Parents can also use secured cards to teach financial literacy to teenagers and young adults. By adding a child as an authorized user or helping them open a secured card under their own name, you give them a head start on building credit responsibly. Many banks offer secured options with parental monitoring tools and spending limits. It's also worth exploring the credit card upgrade path. Starting with a secured card, users often graduate to a student credit card, then to a cashback card, and finally to travel rewards cards. This progression allows for increasing credit limits, better benefits, and improved financial flexibility. Don't forget about balance transfers. While rare for secured cards, a few products allow balance transfers to help consolidate high-interest debt. However, always check the balance transfer fee and intro APR period before moving debt around. Secured credit cards are also a great tool for self-employed individuals and freelancers who may have trouble qualifying for traditional credit due to irregular income. The deposit reduces the risk for the lender, making approval more likely even if your credit profile is limited. Some fintech companies have introduced innovative secured cards tied to your bank account activity instead of a fixed deposit. These cards, often with no fees and real-time reporting, represent the future of alternative credit building. Understanding the fine print is essential. Check for hidden fees like monthly maintenance charges, foreign transaction fees, and late payment penalties. Transparency is key, and you should always feel confident about the terms of your secured credit card. Let S summarize why a secured credit card might be your best first or second chance at credit. Helps establish or rebuild credit. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Offers the potential to upgrade to unsecured. Teaches healthy financial habits. Comes with fraud protection and credit tracking. Can offer small rewards or incentives. If you've struggled with loan defaults, collections, or credit denials, this could be your fresh start. But remember, credit is a long game. Use the card responsibly, review your statements monthly, and keep track of your FICO score or Vantage score through tools your card may provide. By learning how secured credit cards work and using them wisely, you are taking a big step toward financial freedom, higher credit limits, and lower rates on everything from car loans to home mortgages. All it takes is a deposit, discipline, and a clear plan. Kindly subscribe for more insightful contents on this channel.